how can you record a video on iPhone while reading the notes? So depends on what you're trying to do here, but because if it's like a video of the screen, you can of course utilize the screen recording, hold down on the toggle and enable the microphone so you can actually read and record what's going on the screen. However, if you are interested in capturing videos through the actual camera, this doesn't work natively on the iPhone, but there are some apps which can get the job done. So the whole point or the principle of this that you are trying to do is just the teleprompter, machine which used to be available, but now you can get a teleprompter app on the App Store. And there are more of them available which kind of do the same thing, but the point is that you get the app and it's going to record the video, but it will display the text like your notes or whatever on the screen, and it is designed with that exact purpose. So you can see that you can just get started like this. You can just add the script right there. And yeah, that's how it's going to work. So I really hope that you are able to get it to work. Obviously, there are more apps with the same purpose and the apps that get the same job done. So you're not like limited to one application only, but I just wanted to show you that this is the principle behind it. This is what you need to look up in the App Store and you will be able to get it done if that is the purpose. If not, and you wanted to do something else, let me know about it below. But hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.